we're going to trace these numbers and do this pattern. So we're going to start from 0 to 10, and there will be question marks and I don't know, but we're going to do lots of tracing today. So I'm going to pick a color. I'm not going like yellow. I pick dark blue, also called indigo. Let's start with 0. First, we make a long, very long circle. And then we have done 0. Now let's go with 1. From the top to the bottom. Now, when you're going to write something, never start from the bottom. Always start from the top. Have you ever write like 2 from the bottom and then you make a line to the left and then curl up and then shoo? That's not how you write it. You have to write from the top and then to the bottom and then go to the right. Now we're going to start with number 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now because we're not going 11, it's because we're going to just start from 0 to 10. On the next video, we're going to start with 11 to 20. Now I've done number 4. Now we're going to start with number 5. Now there are 3 ways to write number 5. So first, you start with the middle one from the line, from the middle one, from the top to the bottom. And then number 2, you curl like a C, but in the other direction. Number 3 is finishing with this line going to the right. Now we're going for number 6. Now 6 is so easy. You're just going to make a big circle but not full, right? We're going to do the same, but we have to do it beautifully so it's perfect. It only has one way to make it. Other numbers can have few ways to make it. Now because we're on number 7, you can use a line or not. I'm going to use a line so you can see it. You can use anything you want. Now I like to use 7 with a line. This is the 7 the one we're going to work, and this is how I write my 7. You can pick any way how you want to write your 7, like my 7 or the 7 on the paper. Okay. Number 8. So we're at number 8. I'm going to trace number 8. So some few people will make it. Now the one on the paper, I don't know why it's not making a full circle, but it just makes a line, right? Everyone knows 8 doesn't have a line. It's curved, like 2 zeros. Now 9. We are going to make a C and then a big line going to the bottom. But sometimes we can make, when we write it like 4, some people think 9 with a line is like 4. So you can use a curve so you don't get, so people doesn't think that's the number 4. Now number 10. You already know, we already write number 1 and 0. So we're just going to repeat that. I already draw my 1 and then time to draw 0. done with the numbers, time for the question mark and the exclamation marks. Now, we're going to use red so you can see it. Every exclamation mark can be any color, but mostly red and black. Now let's start with the question mark. Make a curve and then tap is red. Like this. Curve and then tap. The numbers were like only one time you write it, but the question mark and the exclamation mark like 100 times. For the question, do you know what the meaning of question mark? A question mark is when you're asking a question. Now we're going to do the exclamation mark. An exclamation mark means when there's something exciting or something that's great happening. Now we're almost at the patterns. Yes, we're done with the tracing. Now time to do the patterns. I'm going something red like green, but I'm just going to stay red. Okay, our pattern is small circle, big small circle, small circle, big circle, small circle, big circle, like that. Now we're going to repeat the pattern. We're just like going to write zeros but smaller, so it's like O's. Not yellow. Only these three colors are too bright, so you can write it. Okay. I picked purple. Small circle, big circle, small circle, big circle. Now we're going to write the small circle and then the humongous circle. Small circle and then the humongous circle. The small circle, the humongous circle. I don't know why the circles are in the same, like the small circles became more smaller. Isn't it a pattern? Small circle, big circle, and the big circle is getting smaller. My gosh, the one who made this is an idiot. They do not make the circles like, the circles aren't perfect. Like the one who made this can just like repeat it, not draw it, right? Now everything. What in the world? 2 small circles. Oh my gosh, everything is getting weirder and weirder and weirder. Can you look at this? Like small circle, big circle, small circle, and then over here is small circle, and then big circle, small circle, small circle. And then we're going to start with small circle, big circle. This is not a pattern. This is not a pattern. Not a pattern. We're just going to continue it. For the small circle, we're going to make a big circle. Oh my gosh, now the small circle is a big circle. Oh my gosh. Now good thing the next pattern is more perfect. Now we're going to make triangles. So we're going to make a triangle pointing to the left, and then a triangle pointing to the right, and then a triangle pointing to the left, and then a triangle pointing to the right, and then a triangle pointing to the left, and then a triangle pointing to the right. Now we have have done the paper, you can see what I have done. Now remember, there are two numbers that can be changed so it looks like another number. So remember to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon.